Welcome to Toolverse AI, the channel where you turn smart tools into the real result. If you want to save time, upgrade career, and learn real AI skills without wasting your time, you are in the right place. Let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to create a fully formatted ATS-friendly resume using only ChatGPT. No Canva, no design, no template, no editing. You will get both Word file and PDF version automatically under a 1 minute, ready to upload on LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, and any job board. Open ChatGPT. We need only two prompts to create an ATS-friendly resume. So first prompt is create a professional ATS-friendly resume with following details: name, job role, experience, skills, education, projects, and you need to make it simple layout, ATS friendly with strong keywords. So this is the prompt, and you got your resume within a second. Right now you need to replace the demo text into your real text, like you need to provide your name, job role, experience, skills, education, projects. I have replaced for a demo purpose. So in that section I have created the Python developer role. So I have mentioned the projects here. Okay, and I have just write it there, my first name, last name, and all that things, college, education, and click on the prompt. So after the placing the prompt, we get within a second the professional ATS friendly resume in proper format, so that this format you can copy and paste, but we do not do any efforts. So by uh, writing the second prompt, you got your resume with the PDF and Word file. Okay, this is your second prompt, and then click, you get your resume within a second. A download, a clickable URL you got for the PDF and Word file, and click on Word and PDF file, so that you get an ATS friendly resume within a second. Okay, just see, this is an ATS friendly resume PDF. Is a simple PDF. You need to give another prompt for your proper presentation, and this is the Word file. You need to, if you want to edit after the ChatGPT created it, you can edit it. Okay, this is a very useful, no cost, zero efforts resume. Thanks for watching the Toolverse AI. Like, subscribe, and comment your job role for custom prompts. Stay smart, stay ahead.